Hello everyone, it's Maddie. If you have stencil butters or you've been considering buying stencil butters, take a look at this wonderful technique and stay tuned for a giveaway. SpectrumArtCreations with Mr. Ken Oliver, who is going to be sharing some techniques with us on how he did this. It's gorgeous.
I want to show you this beautiful background that's made with color sparks and black tie stencil butter. Black tie stencil butter is one of the new stencil butters. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is lay down a background of color sparks. And we're going to make a color sparks background using, I'm going to say cerulean blue, chartreuse, and lime green. And so I don't know if you've done this before, but to make a background with color sparks, it's really simple. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of the powder. It's microfine watercolor powder. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit around. And you might be thinking like that does not look like it's gonna make a lot of color, but you wait. It's the powder with the power, because it really will burst, spark into life whenever you see it. And I'm gonna mist this with water, just a little bit of water. And it's gonna give it, I have to prime my pump though. So I'm just gonna give it like, see how just a few spritzes of water will really give us an intense colorful background. Now I'm gonna dry this with the heat tool. And the next thing we're gonna do is overlay a stencil on this dried background and then apply black tie stencil butter. So this will take just a minute to dry. And what we're doing though is laying down this really colorful background for this line drawing, or this stencil. There's basically a line drawing. And I think this will be a beautiful background for a card, for a bookmark, or in your mixed media journal.
Great. I'm of course thinking a big white sentiment.
Now I've got this pretty well dry. Now I'm gonna grab a stencil. And you see how this is like very much like a linear stencil? I wanna find the same kind of, oh, this will be fantastic, I think. And then I'm gonna apply black tie stencil butter. It's brand new. And if you haven't seen this before, do you see how shimmery that is?
Yeah.
It's different than a modeling paste because it's so shimmery.
Yeah, that's a very high gloss.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna apply this just by grabbing a little bit and then letting it glide.
Now Ken, if we mix the black with the white, with the pearl white, would we just lighten it, or would we get a gray eventually?
You would get a gray.
Okay, great. Because the black is new to me. I used it yesterday actually in class for the first time. Loved it.
This is dried differently depending on how thick you put it.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna remove a little bit. And then I'll lift this up. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
It reminds you of
Beautiful. Oh my.
we were talking and scratch it off. Right. It's really cool.
Gorgeous. I love that. And that was the color sparks. Awesome. Thank you so much, Ken. Hopefully that has given you lots of inspiration. Make sure to leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. And speaking of that, we are doing a giveaway. Once the video reaches 20 comments, the gift cards will start coming. So make sure you leave a comment down below. And of course that you give it a thumbs up and that you share the video with your friends. If you're on the market for stencil butters or thousands of additional crafting and art supplies, please be sure to visit our online stores. We have 2 online stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, SpectrumArtCreations. If you love art supplies and crafting, well, then make sure you join us here for our live sales on our YouTube channel, right here on this channel. You can shop live, you can see the product live, you can chat live, and of course, enter into games and giveaways, all from the comfort of home, and then have all your materials delivered directly to your door in a matter of days. If you are on Facebook, make sure you join our Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creation Friends, for more inspiration, more challenges, and all kinds of games as well, where you can post and share your makes and see others as well. So make sure that you are subscribed. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified of whenever we are live or we have new video and content for you, plus all the other reasons that you see here on screen. Lastly, I'm going to leave you with a video here so that you can hop over and get some more inspiration. So click on that. I'll see you there.